How to read WhatsApp messages without blue text. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually go ahead and then read WhatsApp messages without the blue text. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to actually read WhatsApp messages without letting them know that you've read them, which means that you don't want the blue tick to appear when you read someone's message, it's very simple. So first of all, make sure you have updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in WhatsApp, and go ahead and simply either download or update the WhatsApp app to the latest version. Once you've updated the WhatsApp app, just go ahead and open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. What you want to do is from the very top right hand side of the screen, just tap on the three dot icon that you see. As you tap on the three dot icon, you'll see all sorts of options. So just go ahead and select settings. Once you go to settings, go to the option called account, and as you go to account, tap on the privacy option at the very top, and you'll see all the sorts of various options. If you look halfway down the bottom, you have this option which says read receipt. So which means that in order to actually not let anybody know that you read their messages, you just need to turn off this toggle. But keep in mind that when you turn off this toggle, you'll also not be able to see who has actually read your message. For example, if you send a message, you will not be able to let yourself know that whether or not they have read the message. This works both ways for privacy reasons. If turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats, but you can see it's actually inevitable on the group chats. But for personal chats, if you turn this thing off, you will not be able to see whether someone has read your message. At the same time, you will not be able to let others know that you have read their messages, and at the same time, you will also not know whether someone has read your messages whenever you send them. Hopefully this video gave you some answers about the read receipts and blue text and blue check marks. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.